In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Waze to avoid freeways and highways for future routes. If you prefer driving on smaller local roads instead of major highways, Waze makes it easy to change that with just a few quick adjustments. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to apply it so your future calculated routes automatically follow that preference. To begin, open Google Chrome and log into your Waze dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, since route preferences are tied to your own settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, give the page a moment to fully load so all menu options are available and responsive. Next, look for the Navigation Preferences control panel and open it. This is the section where Waze stores the driving rules and route behavior that affect how directions are calculated. If you've never changed these settings before, this area is worth becoming familiar with because even a small adjustment here can make a big difference in the kind of roads Waze chooses for you. Once the Navigation Preferences panel is open, find the restriction rule labeled Avoid Freeways or Highways. When you see it, check the box next to that option. Turning this on tells Waze to prioritize routes that stay away from freeway and highway travel whenever possible. This can be especially helpful if you want a calmer drive, prefer surface streets, or simply want to avoid high-speed roads during regular trips. After selecting the box, apply the changes. This is the step that saves your preference and updates how Waze calculates your routes going forward. Without applying the change, the setting may not take effect, so make sure you complete that part before leaving the panel. Once saved, all future calculated paths will automatically reflect this preference. Keep in mind that Waze will still try to balance your settings with overall route efficiency, so in some cases it may still choose the best available option based on traffic or road conditions. If needed, you can always return to the same navigation preferences area later and adjust the setting again. And that's it. With just a quick update in your Waze dashboard, you can make your future routes better, match the kind of driving experience you want.